Alright, time now. Hey guys, I'm here with the real Jamaican girls. You guys have been asking for this video for a long time and you've been submitting your questions. And today we're gonna answer them all live, direct, and real. Big up on yourself, Shania Scarlett, Shante Tracey, and put on the phone, Charnelle Williams. Alright, so let's just get right down to it, shall we? Alright, so Ariana Smith 1 asked, who is your favorite artist, both locally and internationally? Tanya, you can answer this. Who is your... You see, they put on the phone here and answer the question. But yeah, who is your favorite artist, both locally and internationally? Who's your favorite local artist?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Alright, internationally?
Ariana Grande.
Alright. Shante?
Well, I like Bootcamp and I like Alkaline. Internationally, I have to say Nicki Minaj.
Alright.
Okay, so from a local artist, Alkaline the General, and Irene, and their name? Carnix. For international, you know, Jessie J and Drake.
So like no world boss? No, that's disappointing, man. Disappointing. Alright, Simply Destiny 101 asked, favorite shoe brand. What's your favorite shoe brand, guys?
Adidas.
I like Nike.
Adidas and Puma.
Yeah.
Alright, favorite Jamaican food.
Curry goat.
Curry chicken barbecue. But you know, no joke. Strictly curry chicken bar.
You love curry chicken back so much?
I'm sure.
Want me to get a say even oxtail or...
Yo, I can't be the curry,
You know the curry shrimp.
curry shrimp.
Yeah, I'm gonna barbecue chicken.
But that's not really Jamaican. When we think about Jamaican,
Yeah,
we
no,
talk
no,
rice and peas and chicken. Anyways, a food preference still. Alright, N Brown 1 asked, what's the most annoying thing that each of the members do? This should be interesting. Let's start off with you, Shante. What's the most annoying thing?
Alias, chat too much more while star, but we love our same way.
Always.
Tanya can do the foolest set of something ever. But yeah, that's all.
For me, you know, I get on my nerves sometimes.
You don't see me a talk to you. One girl that accused me of me a thief or man.
I'm miss her. And you know what's her name? Ashley. She
Shania, what about you?
Sky can't say the worst thing them ever. She just nonsense. Asha did nothing. Wait. Asha ever chased me off or something. Actually no. She ever laughed at me. And all the time, so. Yeah.
And that annoy you?
Yeah.
Alright. Abigail Williams asks, what do you love about each other?
Don't let me eat that.
Sorry,
Don't let me eat that. I love you, eat that.
Alright, so that's why you love them, because what am I?
yeah.
Alright, oh, this is a very interesting question. Alright, Mortal Kombat Sub-Zero asks, what's the... which episode of Real Jamaican Girls was the favorite, like the most favorite one to shoot?
Let me start off this one. My favorite one is when we went around the library and we were filming the episode when Alia be a fighter, Shania, and I get a drop. That was the funniest thing.
Come on, I made
I just saw it again,
no, but I'm gonna say come on, I made another question.
obviously.
Alright.
If you didn't know it already.
Alright, guys, just focus.
This one,
2 years later. I don't know. What was my favorite? When we did have the pool party something, the water war or something.
I like like shooting that episode too, but it was just so hectic with you guys. How did you girls get into this show? Benito Babe asked this question.
Yo, you just see him turn on the camera, everybody start going to buy it.
I'm not jumping fence, you know, because I know some of the comedians, I'm just saying, you know what?
Alright, Maya J1 asked, what has been the most important thing you have learned in the process of being on the show? I like this question. I like this one.
What?
Alright, so what I've learned.
What has been the most important thing you have learned in the process of being on the show?
To me, it doesn't matter the age or size or color or how stupid you are. Everybody can get along and laugh like fool. So yeah, that's the most important one.
You learned?
Yeah, and learn so enough people love me. You know, if I never in this world, so much people love me. Yeah.
Shante?
I have learned that Jamaicans are the best.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay,
Get
anything
yourself
of
a Jamaican.
woman too.
Yeah.
Alright, this was one of the most common questions asked. How old are you guys?
Yeah, much.
But for you though, guys, I'm 13.
I'm 16.
I will be 18 in 4 months. March 29.
You could have just said 17.
Exactly.
Soon to 18, so.
May
You don't see this in 4 months.
May one give May 11 just remember.
16, guys.
Alright. The $1 million question. Alright, so a lot of people have always been, basically everybody just has a bum rush me. Always ask me, when is the show going to return? Rather than like people like Frankisha Eaglin, when is the show gonna return? Candice Chambers, are you guys doing a season 4? Wow. Well guys, yes, I guess it all comes back to me. I would love if I could have it my way, we'd be shooting episodes daily, every month, every day you guys would be getting an episode. But just, everybody's just so busy now, you know, people, recently somebody has relocated, you know, people were preparing for C-Sec, you know, and life just gets in the way. So, unfortunately, it's sad to say that, you know, the show is kind of like, I don't think there will be another episode after what we just filmed. But, okay guys, okay, this is there's a new project that's going to be airing on the Discerning channel. It's going to be called Made in Jamaica, and these 3 lovely ladies will be involved. So guys, thanks for tuning in. We're signing out now. Big up on yourself, enough love. Alright.